Alright everybody, God fucking help you, because I'm going to be gutting something today. This is a Yale AS Platinum. AS just stands for anti-snap. As you can see, the anti-snap works great. This is obviously the inside of the door of the bit from the outside. I would imagine is considerably fucking mangled. Somebody sent me this probably 2 years ago or more, so unfortunately I can't remember who the kind donor was, but whoever you are, thank you. This one I've had a bit of trouble with picking actually, but I got it last night, footering about, so we're gonna see if we can get it done. I'll not bother going into all the specs and shit. Maybe whenever I actually get to gutting it, it'll give me something proper to talk about. But I'll show you the bit on the. Oh fuck! Who's that handsome cunt in there? There you are. 6 pins, and the reason why I'm going to be gutting this is because I have a sneaking suspicion that they've put some nasty shit into this. So I'm gonna see what we can do. Standard kite mark cylinders are like a mixture between spools and serrated, and their standard cylinders are just spools. But this, I think they might have gone with fully serrated. Not much of a fuss set out of it, and no counter rotation as a matter of fact, so it could be. Whoa, holy fuck. Alright, well that went quickly. It took me a good while to do it last night, but fucking hell, there you go. You can see the keyway is very, very wide open there, and obviously the bitting is pretty nice on her, but doesn't necessarily make it easy. I have to be honest, that was the fastest that I've picked it. I did it a couple of times last night. I'm gonna see. I've brought down all the shit. Hopefully to, you know what, I'll lock it back up so that I can really pry on this. Ah, fuck yeah. I had a funny feeling that would happen, so I brought these down, and hopefully holy shit. Right, well this is going to be annoying. Brute force and ignorance always prevails with these fucking things. Fuck's sake. Oh Jesus. Alright, well we've got a fast picking time anyway, so we've got that going for us. Alright. Let's try that again. Oh baby, it's going. Look at that. It's just near off. Good, good, good. Fucking hell, I hate these fucking things. Ta-da! Right. The circlip pliers were a wise idea. You can see on here, it's got the sacrificial anti-snap. I think it's a reinforced anti-snap bit in the middle, and then it's got these wee bearing type things which apparently are so you don't get as good a grip whenever you're trying to get the remainder of the cylinder out. And they've even got an anti-drill pin there as well, which is good thinking. And I have got a text message. Fuck off, because I'm working now. Alright, so we're just gonna go, motherfucker. doesn't even want to go in. Oh, don't tell me this is too fucking big. Okay. What the fuck? Oh Christ, one of the fucking key pins is falling out. Oh Jesus. Okay. Pin 1, as a matter of fact, what? Oh yeah, because I've got it upside down. Smart. Right, what the fuck am I doing with this? I'm really sorry about this, you guys. I'm trying here. You can blame Slim Pickens because I got this fucking plug follower off him. Is that even? This here isn't even a full fucking thing. Brilliant. Right, that's the bottom. You know what? Because the key's in it, I can just do it like that. Motherfucker. Yeah, that plug follower's not going in, so I'm going to just do it like this. I'm just going to pull it out and let them spring out, so. Oh, fucking Christ. Okay. Hey, there we go. We've got a driver pin. Fuck me. Right, and that'll be 6. Which looks like standard. Okay. And another standard. What the fuck? Standard again. Okay, what the fuck? What the fuck was that? What the fuck is that? Alright. Standard. These are all fucking standard driver pins. Explain this bullshit. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. We've got a... Fuck, can't even show you that. Tweezers. So we've got one security pin so far. And it's a... I don't even know what the fuck you would call that. Pin 6. Get out. And then there's one of those in chamber 1. So I didn't exactly call that. I thought these were serrated all the way fucking through. Clearly not. Focus. You fucking asshole. Yeah, well, fuck it. It's the same as the other one. Now, the key pin in chamber 1 is kind of serrated. Holy shit. So's number 2. And 3. And 4. Oh wait, that was 5 that came out there. That's 5 there. And 6. Yeah, sorry, I'm not really doing this properly because I'm trying to see them for myself. So it was 6. So basically we've got fucking security pins for all the key pins. So that's why we were getting weird feedback out of it. Fucking A. Right, these are not going to be very well organised at all. I don't give a fuck. Because this is taking way too long. so we've got security drivers in 1 and 2, standard pins in all the other ones, and those fucking key pins, you're gonna like these. Have a fucking gander at that. Now that would certainly explain why I had a hard time fucking raking it. I was thinking because the bitting was easy, that it would be a good candidate for raking. So yeah, we've got, that's why I was getting multiple clicks on different pins, and not understanding why I was oversetting shit all the time. That front pin is different to the other ones. And it won't focus. There we go. Fucking hell. That's weird. Right, we're after 10 minutes, you guys, so I'm gonna fucking cut the video off there. But yeah, I was expecting more security pins up the top out of that. But there you are. Cool fucking shit.